everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, the place of phone name craft ales. If you haven't met him before, he's not a new variant, and he's certainly not new mutated. It's my world famous brother, Alan Partridge.
This is still my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Thank you very much.
Oh, bro.
How's it going on?
It's alright. At Christmas was a bit heavy going, wasn't it?
It was a bit hard work. Hence why I'm looking a bit rough.
He hasn't stopped. He's a monster.
I know, Friday says, Saturday says, Sunday says, Monday says.
What day? I've actually lost track of what day it is now, so there you go. I'll tell you what it is. It's homebrew review day. That's
It's
what it is.
homebrew review day.
Yeah.
Let's get cracking.
We've got quite a lot to get through, I think, today, haven't we, bro?
Yeah, I've got quite a lot to get through today. So I'm going to kick off with this. Now, my good friend, brew buddy Phil Welch, kindly donated these to the channel.
Okie dokie. Oh, that's very cool.
Very kind of him, wasn't it?
It's one of these things here.
Now, you can find these on Amazon, fairly pricey at £39.90.
Oh, that's 10p or 40 quid, isn't it?
There's everything you need in here, apparently, in that box to make some homebrew beer. I think, really, it's aimed at the gift market.
Okay.
So, you know.
But we try everything in here, don't we, bro?
Yeah.
So, yeah, basically, if you fancy making your own beer at home, you will find everything you need in this box. The preparation takes only 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Your very own beer will be ready within a week.
Yeah.
Tapped straight from the 5-litre beer keg.
I've had it a bit longer a week in here. But
Lovely. And this is an Indian Pale Ale.
just showing the bag of malt extract you get.
Right, so we've got a replica box back here as well. We went brew it, yeah?
Phil Connors gave us 2, so yeah.
That's very kind, isn't it? Yeah. It's very kind, isn't it? So look, in here you've got, I don't know if you can see it on the camera there, look, you've got one of these kegs.
Yeah, all these kegs.
We've got one of these, which is the malt extract.
Yeah.
I'll take that off there in a minute, bro.
Yeah.
We've got some yeast. We've got some instructions. Oh, we've got some
Little things of hop extract.
These little
Yeah, little
things.
thing. Tubes,
Little
test
things.
tube bottles.
And some instructions and the little blue
There you
peg
go.
that goes on the top.
There you go. The peg's probably the most important thing.
Okay,
Because I think with this peg, I've got to reuse this can again. So really, unless you're giving it to an home brewer, I can actually put some home brew in here, put some sugar in here.
Right.
The only thing is, it's all in here. So the malt extract's dissolved in here. Ooh. You put your yeast in here.
Bung it all in.
Just bung it all in. Leave it for so many days in the warm. Apparently a couple of days in the cold. And apparently it's ready to drink.
We'll be the judge of that.
And this is it, bro.
Oh, right on, bro.
You can get around that.
Right on.
Do you want to fresh up? Because that's not much of an head on it, is it? But,
Much of a nose on going on there.
And it says it's naturally hazy. In other words, you have them to get off the yeast.
Yes, because obviously the yeast is in there. It does smell a little yeasty, it has to be said.
It does smell of yeasty. I can smell some citrus notes coming through on the back. But yeah, knocking your socks off on the old grape nose, really, to be fair. Dare you?
I don't think this is going to sit well. Thanks for that, Phil.
That's it. Really good beer. Oh.
Maybe we're spoiled.
I think we've been spoiled.
Maybe we should take another slurp.
You reckon?
I'm just going to be part adjusted to that. I'm just going to give me a
That's a
little
bit of a
slurp.
shock to the system.
It is actually, yeah.
Just as bad.
Oh, it's just as bad at the second taste.
That's foul. There's no way to describe it. That's foul.
That's horrible.
That's absolutely disgusting.
So, with the next one...
Yeah, with the next one.
Well, that's a, excuse me, viewers, I've just got to drink something else to get rid of the taste.
With the next one, what I thought I might do, I've got some little fermenters, these little 5-litre fermenters, you know, you use for wine. So what I thought I might do is ferment it in one of these little 5-litre fermenters and then put it into here with some sugar.
Take it off the yeast.
Take it off the yeast and then see what...
That might help
it
not taste so goddamn awful.
Let's hope.
I don't know if I dare even give it a...
I don't know, it's not even worth rating.
It's worth rating, that.
Never mind the money.
Right.
Right.
I'm just going to put that down the
sink.
Hey! Right. That's that one ripped apart.
Ah, that's that one, that's absolutely trash.
What's next, bro? Let's hope it's something more drinkable.
Let's move those off the bar. Right, now then, let's go over to Dark Farm now.
Oh, West Coast Red.
West Coast Red.
Right, hang on, let me do the box first then, bro.
Okie dokie.
Now we've got, all comes in a big box like that.
Yeah, we've had one of these before. fancy label on the top, or comes in paper bags to make you feel a bit more crafty.
Yeah, cardboard box, paper bags, but it's all very easily recyclable as well, bro, isn't it?
And it comes with a nice set of instructions on thick paper.
So yeah, there we go. Nice set of instructions. There we go. Look. Yeah.
But then it actually tells you a bit on the back there about who brewed it.
Yeah, this particular company, they've during lockdown, they've got teamed up with various brewers, and they've got this guy called Dan Plumage, a seasoned home brewer, to do this. Let me read it. This beer was inspired by a local red IPA that wasn't able to get hold of during lockdown. So it's designed to have a full, malt-driven body with notes of toffee and caramel that you would expect from a red ale, but with a big West Coast punch from the Cascade.
Cascade. Well, I do like a bit Cascade, but I've never had it in a red.
Right.
There you go. And there it is. It's very red, like it says on that.
It's very red, isn't it? It's a damn sight clearer than that thing we just drank.
It'd be difficult to be anything like it, unless it was mud.
I'm hoping this is better. Right then.
There's a good strong
That's
malty
a strong
nose.
malty nose, isn't it?
Oh, isn't it? Robust malty nose.
This is going to be a robust beer, this, I think.
Yeah, I think it is indeed.
Ooh. Cheers, bro. Oh, he's gone in.
There's a lot going on in there.
Well, that's a bit complex, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's the red beer.
Yeah, the rye kind of redness
Coming
taste
through.
you get from a red beer.
Yeah. Then there is that bit of West Coastness to it, isn't there?
There's a lot of dryness at
That's
the
the
end.
fella, the
It's
dry-
even drying
dry,
the
yeah.
roof from a palate out. Now.
Next makes me want to slurp some more, but yeah.
Yeah, it's quite. It's a kind of strange kind of odd taste to the background.
Don't
Isn't it?
find better than that one we just had.
Yeah, I could drink that all day.
That's quite an easy session beer. Well, how strong is it, bro? Did I say?
I think you said it was 6%.
Ooh, I was about to say this could be quite a nice, easy session beer, but it can't because it's 6%.
I think that's what it said, wasn't it? Didn't it say?
6%.
Yeah, 6%. So, again, from Darton Farm, those guys put these kits together over lockdown. 25 quid, all grain kits.
Yeah.
And
Can't go wrong
good
with
set
it.
of instructions.
The instructions, even a numpty like me could follow these. Yeah, they're great. Yeah, that's fantastic, that is. So, what do we reckon out of 10 though, bro?
You know what? I'm undecided.
I am, purely because this style of beer is not possibly my favourite. So I'm a bit. But then we was talking over Christmas as we love Napiers and stuff like that, but you can't drink them all, long time or have a heavy session on them. They're nice for a couple of pints, but then you want to go back to a normal beer.
You just want a normal, smooth, easy drinking, sit down.
This is heading that way, but it's too strong.
Too strong. Too strong. It tastes strong as well after a while.
Yeah, my cheeks are already going rosy. I'm having about a 7 or 8.
Yeah, I reckon an 8. Good 8, 8.5 probably.
Okay. Cool.
Cool.
There you go then.
There you go.
Not a bad one then.
Not bad, no. But again, if you do drink red, you might think it's the best thing sliced spread. But it's
Obviously,
just our taste.
we give our opinion on the beers, and obviously everybody's personal opinion on beer is different,
Yeah, this
Some
is
people
it.
will love that and
This
think
is
that's
it.
the best thing on the face planet.
That's it. This is just our personal taste. It has got a good body, good head, and if you like red beer,
And the kit does exactly what it says it should. So there you go.
there you go.
What's next, bro?
We're moving on now to Brew UK. And they do one of their own called it's the Square Box.
Oh, right now. Got a lot of boxes today.
It comes from their Crafty Brews or whatever it's called, is it? Or something like that?
Crafty Brews.
Yeah.
Citra with an S. Extract recipe kit. Refreshing citrus pale ale driven by powerful citra and some co-op. Not a lot to see on there, folks, but it's just a brown box with a little bit of label on there. You go.
Again, though, this is one of those dry kits.
Oh, okay.
So it's part mash kit, so you do get some grains to steep, so like you would do normally. You steep your grains for 30 minutes at 67 degrees in 10 litres of water.
Yeah.
And then you get 3 bags of, I think it's 3 bags, of malt, does it say?
You've got 2 light extract malt and 1 light extract malt.
Yeah, same thing.
Oh yeah, two. One at 500 and two make a so 3.
So dry malt extract, no liquid, just dry malt extract. So once you've steeped your grains, you bring it up to the boil, you add this malt extract, you add some hops, so you end up with what we've got here.
Rightio. 21 litres, 4.5%, approximate ABV, like brother says. It tells you all that's in it and nice set of instructions, nice and clear. Presume that comes in the box with it. There we go. So yeah, lovely.
I am struggling, I don't know why, with this particular can to get it to gas up.
Yes, we've got it through the normal corny keg,
Yeah.
but we're having trouble getting the gas through today, aren't we?
Well, I think it's got too cold, And I've tried to warm the shed up outside, and it's
It is
not working.
in sunny old Lincolnshire. It is nearly freezing tonight as we speak to us, so it is quite cold.
It's quite cold, but not freezing stupidly cold, but enough
freezing.
just to kill the gas head or something like that.
That's a huge amount of
It says in the box it should be bursting full of citrus and Simcoe. And that's not doing it for me.
It's there, but it's not bursting.
No, it's definitely not bursting.
It's not bursting. Going in.
Going in.
And it's still not bursting.
Not bursting at all.
I'm putting it in
Do you know what? I'm going to think I hadn't.
Hang on a minute. Because I know the last beer we had was very strong. So I'm just going to go again.
It's supposed to be bursting full of citrus and Simcoe. You're supposed to taste it.
It's not bursting. It's there, but it ain't bursting.
It's there. It's not great beer.
If I drink around the pub and go, you put some water in that?
It does actually taste a bit watery, doesn't it?
Doesn't
The body doesn't taste
There's
very...
no body.
There's no body to it at all. It's almost like drinking flavoured
Is
water.
that, you think, because it's one of these dry extract kits?
Well, yeah, but the proper job we did with the week was dry extract, and it was probably one of the best dry extract kits I've had ever.
It wasn't a proper job, but it was a cracking beer. Yeah. I won't go as far to say that's a cracking beer, bro.
No.
We've gone downhill tonight in the D&P, haven't we? We've not got any 10 out of 10s.
Well, you can't have
Can't
it
have it all
the time, can you? You can't have greatness all the time.
We drank all the 10 out of 10s at Christmas.
Yeah, that's definitely not 10 out of 10. That's below that. That's one even. That's 6.
5 or 6.
5, 6, yeah. Yeah, don't rush out and buy that kit.
I would not rush out and buy that. Not especially if you're looking for a nice punchy Citra. That's not it. Well, get some glasses down this end of the bar.
Disappointing.
Right, so that's 3 beers. We've got all bits to go through, I think, bro. Was we going to try again the Coopers?
We was going to try again the Coopers. We remember a few weeks ago we did the Coopers.
We did.
We did the Coopers English bitter.
We did.
Well, I've still got it down in the cellar.
Right, yeah.
And they did say that it hadn't been in the barrel long, so I was going to try it again. Just go into the cellar, fetch it out.
He's down in Selly.
The only problem with this beer... Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, right, okay.
The only problem with this beer is I find it won't retain its head.
Well, I'm not too fussed about that if it tastes good.
So this is probably nearly, what, probably 3-4 weeks on from our last time we tried it.
It will be about 4 weeks since
Yeah.
from last, probably about a month since we
Yes, I
tried
want
it.
to say it's been in the barrel a good, probably 6-8 weeks.
Oh, right, okay. Okay, Ryan. Cheers, bro.
See if it's
Let's
improved
try
any. Just want to see if it's improved any.
Oh,
It has actually.
yes. And you know what? Probably the best beer we've had tonight.
A 1 tin kit by Coopers is the best beer we've got in D&P tonight. No, it's not. It's not better than that. It's not better.
It's not better than the West Coast, actually, no. I'm mistaken there. But it's not bad, because it's probably easier drinking.
It is easier drinking. The body and the fullness isn't quite there like you do get in the all grain kits. There's
It's
a
certainly
lot,
got flavour to it.
lot of flavour to it. The caramels and sweetness and with the dry bitterness aftertaste is quite good.
Not super dry like the West Coast, though.
No.
Yeah, but it's not
I
bad.
wouldn't say it's an easy drinking classic English bitter.
No. Is that what that's what it's supposed to be, isn't it? Yeah. I think after a couple of pints you go, nah, need something else.
Yeah, you do definitely.
Yeah.
But just
for a 1 tin kit.
just for 1 tin kit, and then just to see if our conditioning a 1 tin kit over a period of time
Can improve your beer.
can improve your beer.
Definitely. Right, yeah.
We're a source of information.
We are a source of information. I truly believe it. and on that note as well about information, so that's 3 beers. None of them are 10 out of 10. And we've gone back to another one which still isn't a 10 out of 10. But let's talk about 10 out of 10s.
Let's talk about 10 out of 10s, yes. Let's talk about our all grain beer of 2020.
Right. Let me do this, bro.
You can do that. You've got the list.
Well, I've got the list, so I've kind of got to. So we've gone through our videos from this year, and we've come down to 3.
We've come down to quite more than 3, to be fair. There's quite a lot.
Oh, yes, I mean,
there
there was 10 or 12 on this list.
Yeah, we decided that there were 10 out of 10s, and most of our all grain beers are on that list.
Yeah.
But we've come down to a final 3.
So the final 3, and me and my brother agreed this. We do like our Napiers.
Yes.
and our kind of juicy, fruity ones, but you can't really drink them all night.
Yeah, so they're really great to start off with, and you think, oh, that's beautiful, it's the best thing I've ever had. And you have a pint of it, and then you have another pint, and you go, do you know what, I've had enough of that.
So, coming in third place, we have Elvis Juice.
Yes.
I've got in here a little note, because he's going to have to tell me who it was, by BHB.
Burnley Homebrew.
Burnley Homebrew. I believe this is one of our fans that sent us.
It's one of our fan sent us the Elvis Juice from Burnley Homebrew. Was a great kit. Fantastic, lovely, juicy,
gorgeous, 10 out of 10 straight away.
But it's not really what I'd call an all-night session beer. Well, you could.
Well, you could, but he'd be flying, he'd be lying on the floor behind the bar.
Yes, all right for like probably one of those, after you've had some session beers, have an Elvis Juice to end the evening. So that came into...
That's number 3.
That's number 3.
Yeah. So number 2 is by Dark Rock Brewing, Hobgoblin Gold.
Yes, if you remember, I did Hobgoblin Gold in Park Grain. Then I did it again in All Grain. And actually, in All Grain, it was even better than Hobgoblin Gold.
It was good.
It was light, easy drinking, refreshing, with just enough citrus notes there, just to like say, well, that's a good cracking session.
It was a good cracking beer. So, that's 2 different brews. And you know what? The third, the number 1 position, is from another brewery. This one is number 1 spot then, the 2020 beer, All Grain, is Citra Smash by Brewolution.
There you go, it's a bit of a shock, isn't it?
Citra Smash by Brewolution.
Again, with that Citra Smash from Brewolution, okay, you've got to like Citra, but it wasn't overpowering with Citra. No. But what I found most of all about it was the body. The body and the smoothness of that beer was like...
That beer didn't hang around long enough, did it? It was soon gone.
Soon gone, yeah, 2 days. But it was the body. It was all round.
Fantastic beer.
Body.
So yeah, well done Brewolution.
Well done, Brewolution.
And if you're looking for a really good Citra kit, that's the one we'd say go out and get. Yeah, definitely.
Any of those kits we did though on our videos last year, All Grain, most of them 9 times out of 10 were really good brews.
I mean, there was some on here that didn't make the top 3, but they're still really good.
Wainwright
Gold, Dark Rock Best of British. There was a let me have a look. Oh, was that Get a Brew German Pils?
Yeah, Get a Brew German Pils. My missus really like that. Again, a really easy drinking session now in the summer, but not this time of the year. I think it was. No.
But there you go. So that's our top 3 beers.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Made it to the end, bro.
Made it to the end. Split with no good beer.
We've got one from a local brewery. That's quite good.
Yeah. We do live now. I want to give these guys a big shout out actually, because we are not far from 8 Sail Brewery if you ever get to go. One of our favourite brews from 8 Sail Brewery is Froglet. We have that. I've done it over Christmas. Thank you, 8 Sail.
Oh, that's fantastic stuff.
Fantastic stuff. I say thank you, 8 Sail. I'd buy it, but you know.
Go out and purchase it, but it's good to support your local brewery.
Yeah,
especially in these hard times.
I was going to say that exactly. But in these hard times, if you want a local brewery at the end of your street or the end of your town, get down there and just keep buying some beer off them. Yeah. Stop going to the supermarket. Go down there.
Yeah, if you're not brewing it, or if you're not brewing it quick enough, go to the brewery and buy some.
Yeah, the thing with why I bought some was because obviously we was in Tier 3 and we had lockdown, we did seem to like, in our support bubble, drink quite a bit.
I have no idea what you mean.
Right then, bro, and next time if you...
we've got next time. It's hard work today. Right then, Malt Miller, Bell's Two-Hearted IPA.
Yeah, that's an all-grain kit. A lot of people shout about this beer.
Right.
It's a world-winning beer, apparently.
We'll be the judge of that.
Yes.
Yes. Brew UK, Vanilla Porter. Okay. I suppose it's the time of year. Festival Pilgrim's Hope. Yeah, we've done that one before.
Yeah, but it's not ready yet.
Okie dokie.
That was on there last time. We just not got around drinking it yet.
Should have left it on there, shouldn't
they? There you go. Right. I think that's about it.
Yes.
So thank you very much to all our new subscribers.
Yes,
please keep subscribing. It's absolutely much appreciated.
Very much, yeah.
If you are watching on Facebook, I have just got our Facebook page as well. So there'll be another video now back on there.
Anyway.
So it's about Guy Fawkes, I think. But anyway. Until next time, it's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him.